Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now we're joined by Chef Sewell, who will give us a taste of what he's preparing for the Piquant for Father's Day dinner. Well, the Father's Day dinner. But first, let's speak to Lige Keith of the Terranova All Suite Hotel, where it takes place. It's Lige. Lige, how are you doing, man?
Great, thank you.
Should I say Happy Father's Day when it comes?
Absolutely.
Exactly. Yes, yeah, I like that.
Not on the truck.
All right, Piquant,
Yes.
the name. Explain that to us.
Okay, so piquant, the literal meaning of it is having a sharp, flavorful taste. That's the literal meaning of piquant.
Oh,
So it's all to do with food. Appetizing, flavorful, taste, piquant.
piquant. That's piquant. And fathers, you should know this, because on Father's Day, this is something that you can treat your fathers.
Absolutely. The whole point of this event is to give dads a chance to enjoy their day. I mean, we in Jamaica, we fed the mothers extraordinarily, and we should. But dads don't usually get that sort of opportunity, and we wanted to give this opportunity for the fathers to get an opportunity to be appreciated, to be loved,
Right.
on a higher level, on a more bespoke level, on a piquant level.
Yeah. Oftentimes you hear about Father's Day brunch, or maybe a breakfast, but you're doing a dinner. Why a dinner versus a brunch or a
Brunch is so regular. I mean, fathers deserve more than regular. Piquant is certainly not regular. It's a 5-course white glove service meal.
How many courses?
5 courses.
5 courses.
Absolutely.
And no fathers will be paying. Don't
Well,
accept payment.
I hope that the families will be paying for the dads. So technically the dads should be eating free.
All right. So we have Craigie over there, and he'll be taking us through the menu. Oh, Jay, what's up?
Firstly, let me say how much I appreciate seeing you here.
Respect, right? I respect,
so now we
Craig.
know what we have in store, but
Yes, sir.
can you walk us through what you have presented here for us?
Okay, so as Liz mentioned earlier, we're doing 5 courses for the dinner. But we're also doing 3 hors d'oeuvres during the cocktail hour. So I brought 2 of the courses to show you, as well as one of the hors d'oeuvre that we'll be serving. So we'll start with that. We have, for this, we're doing Jamaican flavors.
Awesome.
For this edition of it. So everything that we'll be presenting is an elevated version of flavors that we're used to.
Which is somewhat what you're known for.
That's my thing, right? You know what I mean? So those little tartlets over there, they're filled with ackee and Solomon Gunde.
Ah.
On top of that, we have thyme butter poached shrimp. And I made a little relish from the tomatoes and the sweet peppers and the onions, which all of it would have inside of the ackee anyway.
Yeah.
Over here, this is inspired by pumpkin soup. But the pumpkin we actually smoked with cinnamon. So we had it on the drum, we threw a lot of cinnamon sticks and wood and leaves, smoked the pumpkin. And
So that's what this char is that we see?
No. So we pureed that pumpkin, and then those little cuts are called brunoise. You learn something now.
All right.
Brunoise.
Not Bruno Mars.
Not Bruno.
Oh, we know Bruno Mars.
I give it extra Brunoise. Brunoise. And so we just blanch them quickly and then torch it with the blowtorch to give a nice little smoky flavor as well.
Yes, sir.
And it's coconut milk. And this is actually the appetizer course for the dinner. And this is a play on escovitch fish and bami. Right, so we have,
that over there, sir?
Yeah.
Looks so bossy.
But I want to show you something. It's a pineapple escovitch fish and bami. And with the camera, they want a little zoom so everybody can see what
So
going
them can
on.
wait.
Taste the quality.
It's escovitch, you know.
Right.
All right.
But you notice, you know, see the
But me, I
escovitch
wonder
sauce.
where the, yeah.
Watch me now.
Wait, it's in there?
You see that?
That's
Watch.
like a gel?
Come on, yeah. Watch again.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
And them thing that you do with them on your page, them, you know,
Oh,
wet
no,
up business, there you go on with it.
Yeah, man. No, but we're treating the fathers to
It's awesome.
some really great stuff this Sunday. And this is just a few of what we'll be presenting on Sunday. But everything is a solid.
There's a question that we have thrown out.
Run it.
What do you enjoy? About being a chef and also being a father.
I want the honest answer.
Yes.
The best part about being a father is, when my son gone, I'm grandparents.
All right. That's all right.
That's what I would say. I agree.
No, I mean honest. I mean
That I agree with.
I have a great kid, and he He makes me happy. He makes me proud a lot. But maybe I live with it.
Straight up.
You know, Father, that would
So the child will go, him grandfather, a different one, come back. So I'm proud of the one that returns.
So, and in terms of what, honestly, I just love food.
Yeah.
I love making it. I love being around it. I love the science.
Let me see. I would love to try a piece of this bami.
Yeah, absolutely. Just grab one of the knife if you want.
Okay.
It's pineapple escovite, so we have some pickled pine on top of it. There's pineapple in the escovite sauce.
I really appreciate the fact that you guys are doing this for the fathers.
I love it too. I love it too, brother. Trust me.
You know, while Craig is over there doing all of that, doing all of
this is good, man.
Just take the plate.
And the sun, let's just take the plate.
Let's take the plate.
Yeah, man.
We have 2 tickets. We have a giveaway, 2 giveaways. And all you have to do is go over to our Instagram. And these tickets are for Piquant. That happens this Sunday. So go over to our social media in order to answer the question. And I'm going to ask Lige. Lige, what is the question to win these 2 tickets? You can look in the camera and let them know.
Question. Where can we find more info on social?
No, you just ask the question. You
Just choose the question.
The question,
Well,
yeah.
The question that we
Any
want.
question, any question.
The question that we want the viewers to answer to win 2 tickets to Piquant on Sunday is simple, very, very simple.
Right.
What is the name of our featured chef?
Hey!
Hey! Yes. So, and that's a chance to win 2 tickets. 2 tickets, or one person wins 2 tickets? One person wins 2 tickets?
One person wins 2 tickets.
One person wins 2 tickets.
Easy as that.
Social media.
And the food
Answer the
good.
question.
We
Piquant.
Bami tastes so.
Yeah, man.
So it's on Sunday, remember June 16, 2024, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. And there will be Andre Sewell there. No, Crooks.
Cook. No, R.
No. He cooks.
Hey,
That's,
right.
what the man
Andre
do.
Cooks.
No, people think this I'm a government doing, like.
Andre Cooks.
So you're just supposed to know the secret.
Andre Sewell, the chef.
So
is
Chef
going
Sewell
to
will be there. So tell me,
keep
where,
this.
where can we find you and more about you on social media?
The best thing for you to do, my Instagram, Andre.cooks.
Andre.cooks.
Yeah, all of them little wait.
There's a meeting for cook. There's a meeting for cook.
You still live on that? You still
I'm meeting for cook.
All right.
Ask, and our social
And the
media
student
evidence.
has surpassed the teacher by leaps and bounds and leagues.
I hear him say this,
Yeah, the food.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Please remember to check on your loved ones and support us as fathers, as a community. And those trees out there, please start bearing. We will be back on Tuesday. Buzz, Chat, Vibe and Mix returns. And even though we're outside, stay safe. Good.